Welcome back, everybody, to Funky Star TV News Time. Breaking: many injured in Lagos gas explosion. Now, remember, say many times, anytime when incidents like this happen, na explosion, whether they come, they tell Nigerian people say, na they rock Lagos every time the explosion, whether they claim, but well. We go take it as explosion. Remember, see, many different things they happen in southern part of Nigeria, both the southeastern part of Nigeria and the southern part of Nigeria. But before we go into this explosion issue, make I take this little opportunity, break another news for Nigerian people. Say, Mr. Okorocha, the Okoro Hausa, the former Imo State governor, is arrested just today by the Economic and Financial Crime Commission, EFCC. Okay? Now today that one still happen. It's just a breaking news, another breaking news. And but this explosion issue, now here we go talk in this segment. Later on, we are going to talk about Okorocha. We're going to make Okorocha video full time to explain the reason why when they arrest Okorocha again. But this time around, not be hope Ozodema na the EFCC. Okay, remember, say EFCC now, then get new boss, what they call Bawa. Now him take charge after they don't strike Mago. And remember, say the power that be in Aso Rock, when be the Kabas, they want to arrest Mago. But they never still arrest him. But news don't tell us, like last week, say they want to arrest Mago. But now another prominent Igbo man from Biafran land. Even though say people don't like Okorocha. Even though say Okorocha committed a lot of crimes, but a lot of former northern governors and present governors from the north, their ministers and their senators, they are all badly corrupt. Even 10 times more than Rochas Okorocha. But they're not arrest them. They're not arrest them, ladies and gentlemen, because they are the northerners. They are from the north. So they don't arrest them. Now only Biafran people. Well, Funkidi say now that one suit Biafran people when Sabi sabotage their brothers and sisters. When Sabi sabotage the effort of the agitations. They sabotage the effort of Mazen Nandekano. Try to betray Mazen Nandekano left and right. I said this one are the payback time. After they don't fight Mazen Nandekano, then oligarchy, when don't already know who them be, as people when they sabotage their brothers and sisters, they go fight them back. Not be Mazen Nandekano go fight them back, but the power that be in Aso Rock. Now so God they walk, will fight them back. Because they fight innocent man when be Mazen Nandekano, when they try to save his people. So that one I suit Okoro Hausa. Okay, later we're going to do that video for Okorocha. But not today. All the things that happen. This explosion now, remember, see, in Amuwo or Dauphin before, explosion don't rock everywhere, can kill a lot of people. They can't tell us in a gas. This one again, brother, now still the same Amuwo or Dauphin. So you will begin to ask yourself questions. Say, why come this in only this particular Amuwo or Dauphin explosion they rock at least every 6 months? And each time when the explosion happen, the people, I mean, when I know them now, the politicians, they will come and talk, say, oh, now gas explosion. Oh, now gas explosion. Without investigation. This one does happen right now. And when I go see inside this, where they tell us, say, those people, when they're in charge of explosion, say that they're on their way. So how come they can't know now? They tell us they're on their way. How come people can't know, see, now gas explosion? When the bodies were supposed to carry the investigation, they never carry the investigation. But with the year now, say, now gas explosion. Don't forget, say, the north, the food everywhere. the caliphates, then they everywhere in that first town. In that Amuwo Odofe, they full everywhere. And that be the Okada riders. For Kidi know Amuwo Odofe very, 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 very well. They know they describe anything in Amuwo Odofe for me. In 2018, I was there. Amuwo Odofe is full of these northerners. That they call the Fulani people, the caliphate men, the food there, and then be the Okada riders when they there. No Yoruba man when they ride Okada there, no Igbo man when they ride Okada there. Now then take over everywhere. The same Amuwo Odofe, all these things they have investigations, they will just bust come and they tell us, say, oh, na gas explosion. The ones what don't happen before. Na gas explosion. So make we take a look. Then tell us, say, a lot of people injured, but they never tell us how many people went die. Remember, say, if anything happened in Lagos, they only tell us people went die. You know, like that one went rock Lagos last time. It's still in Amuwo Odofe. When everywhere destroyed, they tell us now only 15 people died. On Sunday, ladies and gentlemen, night explosion rock everywhere. Early morning when people they sleep. So those people went got all those houses where they when the explosion come kill only 15 people. I mean the past one won't happen. So this one again happen today. It just they happen. And it's just they happen now so that they take the arrest someone like Okoro Awusa. Make we read a little bit. So we bust down to another topic. Many injured in Lagos gas explosion. All right, this one they happened 24 minutes ago. Now in this explosion, they rock in Lagos State. Many people have been confirmed injured in a gas explosion in the Amuwo Odofe local government area of Lagos State. The incident, the nation gathered, occurred at Eyasoko Street, Agboju, Amuwo Odofe. Remember, say Agboju na that place when that market day, when a lot of people they food that market. So you remember that right now. The incident, the nation gathered once again, occurred at Eyasoko Street, Agboju, Amuwo Odofe. It was gathered that the incident happened around 7 p.m. Spokesman of Lagos State Emergency Management Agency, Nonso Okombo, confirmed the explosion. He said the team members deployed were on their way but delayed by traffic. Now this place where they told me before. So if the team members now when they deploy, see me they go there, they on their way. The time when they write this topic, when the writer they write what they write. How in the heck the writer take no say na gas explosion? When the people were supposed to investigate, that is the Lagos State Emergency Management Agency, they never reached there, but the writer don't they tell you now say na gas explosion. You know, we have a lot of brown envelope journalists in Lagos. All over Nigeria, not only in Lagos State, ladies and gentlemen. Again, make we learn about, what did they tell us about soldiers and the killings in one state where they call Benue, but the thing they happen in some particular community. They say soldiers killing, more trouble for Benue communities, warn security councils. Make we read a little bit. Soldier they kill them, than soldier they kill Christians. That is why people they, a lot of Nigerian people they claim say these soldier men when be Nigerian soldiers. Boko Haram don't take over the organization. Majority of them are Boko Haram people. Now they use their mouth tell us say that they recruit Boko Haram to army. Then they feed them, they integrate them. Only them, they recruit them to Nigerian army. Just to kill Christians, innocent Christians for that matter. They're not telling us say then they kill maybe Boko Haram people or Hezbollah people or Ansaru people or Al-Qaeda people went in Nigeria, or ISIS, the Christians, or ISWAP, now the Christians where they kill. Then they kill the community members. Remember, see, get one news when just come out. Still, this one happened in Borno State, not Benue, Borno State, when some soldiers cry out. Then cry out bitterly. They can't claim, say, according to the news, say their commander, their own commander, now Sahara reporters now carry the news. When they want to repair the Boko Haram people, even that they see the Boko Haram people, that they waka, they invade everywhere. Their commanders go say, no, may they not shoot, may they not repair, may they not retaliate to Boko Haram people. Ladies and gentlemen, you go wonder, see, which kind of country that country be, where a soldier man, when they deploy them, they'll go fight terrorist people when they in Borno State. Then go there, group of men go there, when they hold their guns as well, I mean the soldiers, then their commander go tell them, say, may they not repel Boko Haram people, may they not attack them, may they not shoot them, may they not do them anything, may they allow them to invade and kill people. And for the soldier men say koro for their prison, the Boko Haram, they go kill in thousands, and they go back scot-free. You go wonder. Now that they tell you now, say, army now they kill people in Benue State. No wonder when this terrorism no go end in Nigeria. And that is the way, that is how they will invade every part of Nigeria. Remember, say, before we don't hear about this unknown gunmen in southeastern part of Nigeria. Now they don't come there. They don't deploy them, come there, they kill people. Before you know, now Boko Haram don't take over eastern part of Nigeria and the southwestern part of Nigeria. That is why this integration have to happen before this 2023. Otherwise, Nigeria is doomed. If we not allow this APC and PDP continue to rule that country, Nigeria is doomed. If they do that 2023 election, forget, Nigeria is bye-bye. Everywhere will be taken over by Boko Haram. Mark my word. In the morning, we don't hear different names of political leaders and soldiers when we see that then they sponsor this Boko Haram of a thing where they share money together, they do a buke together. For no reason. So now these things are the benefit of now they gain when Nigerian people they gain when they still take to they accept this one Nigeria. I don't tell them. If we now continue this one Nigeria in 2023, Nigeria is doomed forever and ever. They will take over everywhere. Not be this one, no. Not be this one when they talk. When they do that at 2023, Boko Haram will take over the whole Lagos, will take over the whole southern part of Nigeria. I don't tell you, we not tell you. That is why we they call see many people stand behind Mazen Nnamdi Kanu and Sunday Igboho for the disintegration of that zoo. Because if you not disintegrate that zoo, all of them are get one by one problem. Now so Boko Haram will come your door, they knock, they match everybody. You know when they call ethnic cleansing, and there you go know within the nowhere to run to. I mean nobody to go complain to. Because the people when be the people, the monsters when create them, then they are, you can't run to them now. So it is better now. See, everybody just go their way and see una begin chant on 2023 APC and PDP. Then go use you, then go dump you. And dumping you this time around, not be to just dump you. Then go just waste you. Now so it be. One love everybody, and don't forget to subscribe. When I don't hear Okoro channel, EFCC don't number again. See what thing happen in Lagos State too, where they claim see a bomb explosion. I see, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to us and subscribe to us. Continue to subscribe. One love.